Hello, I am Karen Valadez from Swansea University, and I'd like to invite you to our upcoming tutorial at the 34th International Materials Research Congress in Cancun. Our tutorial is part of Symposium A7 and is titled Towards Sustainable Perovskite Photovoltaics, Fundamental Properties, Material Selection, and End of Life. Our tutorial will cover fundamental properties of perovskite materials and why they are suitable as active layers in photovoltaic devices. We'll explain how perovskite solar cells work, how they are manufactured, the most common device configurations, and discuss a few of the key challenges of this technology, including degradation, stability, encapsulation, and management at end of life. We'll talk about advanced characterization techniques for perovskite materials with particular emphasis on photoluminescence and electroluminescence, and how these techniques can help us prove materials quality, stability, and recombination pathways, and help us drive improvements in performance and stability. Finally, we'll look into how sustainability and circular economy principles apply to solar technologies, both established commercial technologies such as silicon and cadmium telluride, but also emerging ones such as perovskite solar cells. And we will look at how the reliance on scarce or toxic materials affect environmental impact, especially when considered at large scale, and how fundamental properties such as the type of band gap or the purity required for high performance shape the energy cost of manufacturing these devices and the available options for recycling and reusing materials at end of life. So if any of these topics is of interest to you, we hope to see you in Cancun.